This is my homemade CO2 reactor. Just made it a few minutes ago. I got the idea from somebody on the internet that has a brain, not my own. But anyway, I put a piece of bamboo end in there to bubble. So the CO2 is bubbling inside there. And the idea is for this little pump to pump in water. The hose attached to the pump is the whitish one, and that pumps water into there, the end. And then for the water to escape, it has to come all the way back to this end, this end right here, and go through this yellowish hose out. So in the meantime, it's saturated with the CO2. And it must be working because no bubbles are coming out, very few. So it must be dissolving in the water. The CO2. Of course, I'm not going to leave this like that in my tank. I got to hide it. But this is just to see a day or two the difference in my plants and the pearling. I mean, some plants are pearling pretty good already. So we shall see. Hey, where are you going? All these platies, one after another here. All right, thanks for watching.